Imagine you've just dropped a significant amount of money on a product from Spocket, only to find out it's a total dud. You're frustrated, disappointed, and probably wondering if you can get your money back. Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Can you get a refund from Spocket? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Spocket's refund policy. Before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand Spocket's refund policy. While they don't have a blanket refund policy, they do have guidelines in place to handle certain situations. Here are some key points to remember. Product quality issues. If the product you received is defective or doesn't match the description, you may be eligible for a refund. Order cancellations. If you cancel an order before it ships, you're typically eligible for a full refund. Shipping delays. If your order is significantly delayed due to no fault of your own, you may be able to request a refund. Incorrect items. If you receive the wrong item, you'll likely be able to return it for a refund. How to request a refund. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to actually request a refund from Spocket. Here's a step-by-step guide. Contact Spocket support. The first step is to reach out to Spocket's customer support team. You can do this through their website or by email. Explain the issue. Clearly explain the reason for your refund request. Provide as much detail as possible, including order numbers, product information, and any relevant evidence. Provide proof, if applicable. Provide proof of the issue, such as photos or videos. This will help strengthen your case. Wait for a response. Once you've submitted your request, wait for a response from Spocket. They should get back to you within a reasonable amount of time. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when requesting a refund from Spocket. Be polite and professional. Even if you're frustrated, it's important to maintain a polite and professional tone in your communication. Follow Spocket's guidelines. Make sure to follow Spocket's refund guidelines to increase your chances of a successful refund. Be patient. The refund process may take some time, so be patient and avoid sending multiple requests. Conclusion. So, can you get a refund from Spocket? The answer is yes, but it depends on the circumstances. If you have a valid reason for a refund, such as a defective product or incorrect order, you should be able to get your money back. Remember to follow the steps outlined in this video and be patient throughout the process. With a little persistence, you should be able to resolve the issue to your satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.